In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Spotify Jam not working. Whether your jam won't start, keeps freezing, or won't sync in with your friends. I'll go through all the common fixes step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Spotify Jam streams live with your friends, so a weak connection can stop it from working. Try switching Wi-Fi networks using mobile data or restarting your router. So just check if your internet is stable. What I would do is just go onto YouTube, open a video, and see if it works properly, or if not, you could just go ahead onto this website, something like speedtest.net. Go ahead and just see if your internet connection is stable. See if you're getting a stable Mbps per second or not. Now, if you're sure your internet is stable, the next step you want to do is to check if your Spotify app is updated to the latest version, because outdated apps can break features like Jam. So on desktop, what you want to do is just go onto your Spotify, like so, and just click on your profile. And you should see the option here to update to the latest version. But if it still doesn't show for you, maybe because it's already updated to the latest version, or maybe it's just glitched. So just to make sure, you could try deleting Spotify and reinstalling it, because that automatically updates it to the latest version. Now, if you're done with this as well, what you want to do is close Spotify, and our next step would be to uh, delete Spotify cache and reopening it after. So what you want to do is go to run Windows R, right, and go and type percentage app data percentage, and here you should find the Spotify folder if you downloaded it from the web browser. But if, like me, you have downloaded it from the window from your laptop from Microsoft, what you want to do is instead go to Windows R, and you want to go to your user app data local and then into packages. So I'm gonna just change this to whatever my user is, which is this, and I'm just gonna press enter. Okay, now that's gonna open this folder, and here I want to look, just press S just to go to the Spotify ab.spotify blah blah blah, right? You want to go into this folder, then go into your local cache and just delete the Spotify folder, like so. For me, I'll leave it, but for you, you have to delete it. You don't have to worry about it, because when you restart Spotify, it just reinstalls all of the files again. So you don't have to worry at all for losing anything, right? So it's completely safe. So once you've deleted that, try reopening Spotify. Just go Windows S and reopen Spotify, and try seeing if your jam works now. Okay. Now, if this still does not work, you want to try seeing if your account, which, and this is actually very common, okay, you want, it's a more basic issue, but you want to see if your account is even eligible for collaborative listening or slash jam. So make sure you're logged in, not using a restricted account, and that your friends can also access Spotify Jam. Because if you're on a free account, you don't have access to Jam. You need to be on the premium Spotify account to access Jam. Right, and lastly, you want to remove or close any apps such as VPNs that can interfere with Spotify Jam. So maybe close all apps like Discord overlays, sound mixers, or VPNs and temporarily, and try again, okay? Now, if none of these work, I do have some bonus fixes. And the first one is to make sure all participants are on the latest Spotify versions. So make sure your Spotify is updated. Check your device's date and time settings. Incorrect settings can break streaming features. And lastly, try switching between mobile and desktop to see if Jam works on different platforms. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.